Hey there, Team Reese Travels family. Today, we're taking you on an unforgettable adventure in the heart of New York City. We'll be hopping on a boat tour to visit the iconic Statue of Liberty. And to top it all off, we'll be trying some authentic New York-style pizza for the first time. So buckle up and join us as we celebrate the last day of our anniversary trip in the Big Apple.
Hey, y'all. How y'all doing?
It's Kiki.
It's Ray.
And we are.
Team Reese.
Day 2 of our
It's day 2,
New York
yes.
trip. Now we are over at the Pier 16 area, getting ready to board the Blue Circle,
I think so.
Circle Blue Express cruise to go see the Statue of Liberty.
We're going to go outside of the Statue of Liberty, check it out.
Yeah, we're not going inside, we're going outside. Express cruise, we just gonna ride around real quick, take a good look, get a few pics, get some videos, and say we saw it. So this is a good way if you just kind of want to see it, just want to get some a visual of the Statue of Liberty, but don't necessarily want the full tour, because those tours where you go inside and go to Ellis, those are like several hours long tours.
Unless
we
you
have a flight today,
right?
So we're only trying to spend like an hour. This tour is 50 minutes, so we are gonna go do that, and we're gonna take you along.
Yep.
So even though the cruise just started, one thing I do want to give you as a tip, if it's a nice clear day and you want to sit like up top where you can have outdoor seating, get here early. We got the last 2 seats on the top deck of the boat, and everybody else that's up here that's not seated is like standing, and then people that wanted to sit are downstairs underneath inside where you have to see everything through glass. I didn't want that. I wanted to be able to see everything. Full vision. Okay.
So, last pit stop before we leave New York City. We could not come here and not get New York pizza. So, we're going to try this place called Little Italy. It's right down here, right off of the pier area that we came to go to that Blue Circle line.
Yep.
Statue of Liberty cruise. We're going to check out Little Italy. It smells amazing.
Yeah.
It smells really good.
Y'all, man, we probably try to get some pictures. We'll see.
Come on.
If they let us do it. We'll see.
Cold pizza Tuesday. I got food up in the fridge. Y'all keep looking for that new wave. I think I like it how it is. Cold pizza on a Tuesday. I got food up in the fridge. Y'all keep looking for a new wave. I think I like it how it is.
Right. Slice of New York style pizza. Oh my goodness. So I've seen people like fold New York pizza like that.
Yeah. That's all we're going to do. That's the only way you can do it.
Y'all. Hold on.
Wait, I don't know what the bag is.
I know.
Oh my god.
That's a lot of grease. Alright. Ready?
Okay. Let's go.
Cheers. Oh, that's good. That's good, y'all. I have sausage and pepperoni pizza. Break out
Pepperoni and bacon.
It is really greasy, but it is very good.
You don't want to eat it without nothing in front of you.
For those of you who know New York well, is this considered like good New York pizza or good New York pizza? Because we don't know. We just was walking past and was like, it smells good. Let's do it.
That's good though.
The crust is nice and crusty. Flaky, crispy. Cheese is nice and melty. Seasoned, like you can tell that the meat is like good. It tastes like seasoned sausage.
And it wasn't expensive.
$15 total for 2 pizza.
2 drinks. You've been paying $30 at home for the pizza. But I think here there is a lot more family-owned mom and pop stores. So they try to keep, and you see it like over the news, they try to keep stuff at a rate where they can still make money, but still offer quality stuff without killing people's pockets.
Here's the test though. From 2 Northwest Indiana, born and raised, kids turned adults.
I'm about to do this salad.
Is New York pizza better than Chicago?
With thin crust like this, yes.
Nah. Guess we have to agree to disagree. I think it's funny how they just give you the pizza on the plate and stick it in the bag. Like at home,
Ain't no foil, ain't no saran wrap.
At home, the pizza be in like styrofoam box, cardboard box, something. They don't just put it on a plate and stick it in a bag. They literally just put this sliced pizza on a plate. 2 plates. Stuck it in one bag and was like, here you go. But it is really good. Also, what was funny is Ray went in there and tried to order like the one piece of pizza in there that looked like Chicago style pizza. I thought it looked like Chicago or that Detroit style pizza too. Like that deep dish square.
They call it a grandma pizza.
They call it grandma.
I was trying to figure out what it was. It looked good. They had the double, all these huge slices with small slices of pepperoni all over. I wanted it, but I got judged and talked about. Normally, I don't worry about nobody judging me, but this time I was like, I don't want to judge me all the way home.
We need to eat like New Yorkers. Huh? You want some, man?
Yeah.
Don't eat my last name pizza, right? I mean it.
I didn't want to kill you.
Don't eat my last name pizza.
I don't want to kill you.
Wow, what an incredible day we had exploring the Statue of Liberty and indulging in some mouth-watering New York City pizza. We hope you enjoyed joining us on this amazing adventure and that it inspired you to create your own unforgettable memories in New York City. As always, thank you for being a part of our Team Reese Travels family. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, leave a comment about your favorite part of the trip, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content. Until next time, Team Reese, all day.